Good afternoon and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Saturday afternoon. Dinner didn't happen last night. I got busy with a client, lost all track of time, so we finished for ourselves last night. So today I am going to be doing the Tuscan chicken that I was supposed to do yesterday. So let's take a look. Have things in place for the pasta and to cook up the lovely chicken. So we got spinach, chicken, mushrooms, red bell pepper, sun-dried tomatoes, some Parmesan cheese, garlic, green scallions or green onions, butter, and some spices. So, what are you having tonight? Dine in, dine out, date night? Have fun. So, December 10th, a group of us are going to be cooking Cincinnati chili, and we're going to compare notes afterwards. So if you want to join the fun, just contact me through the group. Okay? So have a great Saturday, eat great food, and have fun cooking.